Hi, Bella. Look at that beautiful dog over there. It looks like it's having so much fun playing fetch.
Hi, Alex. Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. Do you know what breed that is? The golden fur is so shiny.
It looks like a golden retriever.
I think you're right. Golden retrievers are so popular. It makes me think that I would love to get a dog someday. Have you ever thought about it?
I think about it all the time. I grew up with a dog, and I miss having one around. But there are so many different breeds. It's hard to choose just one.
I know what you mean. There are hundreds of breeds, and they are all so different. They come in all shapes, sizes, and personalities. It's a big decision.
It really is. A dog is a part of your family for many years. You need to find a breed that fits your lifestyle. We should talk about our favorite types of dogs. That's a fun idea. I can go first. I have always been a big fan of large, energetic dogs, like that golden retriever or maybe a German shepherd.
German shepherds are very impressive looking dogs. They look so strong and intelligent. I know they are often used as police dogs and guide dogs.
Exactly. That's what I admire about them. They are incredibly smart and loyal, and they love having a job to do. I like the idea of having a dog that I can train and take on long hikes in the mountains.
That sounds like a wonderful lifestyle. But dogs like that need a lot of exercise and space, right? They wouldn't be happy living in a small apartment in the city.
You are absolutely right. A big, high-energy dog needs a home with a backyard where it can run and play. You also need to have enough time to walk them every day and keep them active.
So it's a big commitment. But I can see why you like them. Their loyalty and intelligence are very special qualities in a companion. For me, I think I prefer smaller dogs. I live in an apartment, so a big German shepherd would not be a good fit. I find small breeds very charming.
That makes perfect sense. There are so many great small dog breeds. Which ones do you like the most?
I think French bulldogs are absolutely adorable. They have those big ears and funny, flat faces. They always look like they are smiling. They seem to have such a playful personality.
They are very popular right now. I see them everywhere. I also think corgis are very cute. With their short legs and long bodies, they seem very friendly.
Yes, corgis are delightful. They are full of personality. Small dogs are often called companion dogs because they are bred to be great friends for people. They love to sit on your lap and just be with you.
That sounds really nice and comforting. Are small dogs still energetic? Do they need a lot of exercise like the bigger breeds?
Some do, but usually they need less exercise. A few short walks a day and some playtime inside is often enough. It makes them a great choice for city living.
That's good to know. A friend of mine wants to get a dog, but his sister is allergic to them. Are there any breeds that are good for people with allergies?
That's a great question. Yes, some breeds are known as hypoallergenic. This doesn't mean they cause zero allergies, but they are much better for people who are sensitive.
Hypoallergenic. How does that work?
It's usually because they don't shed much fur. Many allergies are caused by the dander, which is dead skin flakes, that comes off with the fur. So less shedding means less dander around the house.
I see. That makes sense. What kind of dogs are hypoallergenic?
The most famous example is the poodle. They come in 3 sizes: standard, miniature, and toy. They have curly hair instead of fur, and it doesn't fall out very much.
Oh, right, poodles. They are very elegant looking dogs, especially with those special haircuts. Are they good pets?
They are excellent pets. Poodles are extremely intelligent and easy to train. They are very friendly and playful. They are a wonderful choice for families, especially if someone has allergies. You just mentioned that poodles are very intelligent. That makes me wonder, which dog breed is considered the smartest of all?
I read an article about that recently. According to many experts, the Border Collie is often number one on the list of smartest dog breeds.
A border collie? I know what they look like. They are usually black and white, and they are often used for herding sheep on farms, right?
Yes, that's them. Their intelligence is really focused on work. They can understand an incredible number of commands, and they can learn new tasks very quickly. Watching them herd sheep is amazing. They are so focused and athletic.
It must be incredible to see. What makes a dog smart? Is it just about following commands?
That's part of it, which is called obedience intelligence. But experts also look at adaptive intelligence, which is the dog's ability to solve problems on its own. For example, figuring out how to open a door or get a toy from under the sofa.
So it's about both learning from humans and thinking for themselves? That's very interesting. A smart dog must be fun, but also a big responsibility to keep its mind active.
That's true. A smart dog can get bored easily if it doesn't have enough to do. Let's think about another situation. What kind of dog do you think is best for a family with young children?
That is a very important question. For a family, the dog's temperament is probably the most crucial factor. You want a dog that is patient, gentle, and not easily annoyed.
Temperament means the dog's personality and nature, right? So you're looking for a calm and friendly character?
Exactly. One of the most famous family dogs is the Labrador Retriever. They are known for being incredibly friendly, patient, and good-natured. They are usually wonderful with children of all ages.
Labradors are a great choice. They seem to love everyone. They are also very playful and have a lot of energy to keep up with active kids.
Another good option could be a Beagle. They are smaller than Labradors, but they are very merry and sociable dogs. They were bred to live in packs, so they usually enjoy being part of a busy family. The most important thing is to always teach children how to interact with a dog gently and respectfully. We have talked about some very popular and well-known breeds. Are there any unusual or rare dog breeds that you find interesting?
Definitely. I was watching a nature documentary, and they talked about a breed called the Basenji. It comes from Central Africa, and it's known as the barkless dog.
The barkless dog? You mean it doesn't make any noise? That's hard to believe.
Well, it doesn't bark like a normal dog. Instead, it makes a strange, unique sound that is described as a yodel. It's a very ancient and independent breed. I find that fascinating.
A yodeling dog. I would love to hear that sometime. That's very unique. I recently read about the Shiba Inu from Japan. They are becoming more popular because of internet memes.
Oh, the Doge meme. Yes, I know the Shiba Inu. What's interesting about them?
They are often described as being very cat-like. They are independent, very clean, and can be a bit distant sometimes. They are also known for something called the Shiba scream, which is a very loud noise they make when they are unhappy or overly excited.
It's so interesting how different all the purebred dogs are. Each one was bred for a specific purpose or to have certain traits.
It is, but we have only been talking about purebred dogs. I think it's also really important to talk about rescue dogs and mixed breed dogs.
You mean a dog from an animal shelter? That is a wonderful point. There are so many dogs in shelters that need a loving home.
Exactly. And most of those dogs are not purebreds. They are mixed breeds, sometimes called mutts. They have parents from two or more different breeds.
I have a friend who adopted a mixed breed dog, and he is the best dog ever. He is so loving and grateful. It's like he knows he was given a second chance.
That's so lovely to hear. Mixed breed dogs can be wonderful. They often have fewer health problems than purebreds, and you get a completely unique combination of looks and personality. You are not just getting a pet, you are saving a life.
I completely agree. Adopting a dog from a shelter is a fantastic option that everyone should consider. A dog's breed is less important than the connection you have with it.
So, after talking about all these different types of dogs, from big to small, purebred to mixed breed, I think the most important thing is matching a dog to your lifestyle.
I think that's the perfect conclusion. The best dog breed doesn't really exist. It's all about what is best for a specific person or family.
Exactly. For example, if you live in a small apartment and work long hours, a high-energy dog like a Siberian Husky would be a very bad match. A husky needs a huge amount of exercise.
A bored husky would probably destroy the apartment. A person with that lifestyle might be better with a calmer dog, like a basset hound, that is happy to sleep for most of the day.
Right. You also have to think about grooming. Some dogs, like a Samoyed, have very thick, long fur that needs to be brushed every single day. Other dogs have short hair and need very little grooming.
That's a huge factor. You have to be honest with yourself. Do you have the time and energy for a dog that needs a lot of training, exercise, and grooming? Or do you need a more low-maintenance companion? Answering those questions helps you find the right dog for you. This has been such a fun conversation. I feel like I know so much more about dogs now. So let's imagine we could get any dog we wanted tomorrow. What would be your dream dog?
My dream dog. That's a tough choice. After our talk, I think a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel would be perfect for me. They are small, very affectionate, and so gentle. They're the ultimate lapdog.
That is a wonderful choice for you. They are beautiful dogs, and they would be very happy in your apartment. They would give you a lot of love and companionship.
Thank you. What about you, Alex? After considering everything, what is your final decision?
I still love the big, active dogs. I think my dream dog would be a golden retriever. They are intelligent, friendly with everyone, and active enough to join me on adventures, but also gentle enough to be a great family dog one day.
A golden retriever would be a perfect match for you and your future plans. They have such a happy and positive personality.
I think so too. Well, it's fun to dream, and now, when the time is right, we will both be very well prepared to choose the perfect furry friend.